Do you feel manly using that tiny
I do
little
not. I
girl?
feel like a little girl right now, and I'm like, don't film me using this. You gotta make fun of me. Honestly, little guys like this are some of the most handy tools.
If you love satisfying DIY, stay tuned because this one is sure to check the box. Scrubbing years of grime away, speed sanding, and satisfying tape pulls, we cover it all as we refinish 4 doors and 1 floor. And stick around to the end for a sneak peek of the next satisfying DIY. Let's get started with the biggest door, the front door. It's got tons of windows on the door and on the side lights, which are beautiful, but if you know, you know, tons of tedious work. The first step was removing the hardware and stickers. Did you catch that Radio Shack sticker? I also used a razor to scrape every single window because it had a lot of white paint. As you can see, it was a very painstaking process, even with the time-lapse feature. I scrubbed the door. Honestly, I haven't cleaned it, and we've lived here for about 4 years. And the house was vacant before, so who knows the last time it was cleaned. Once the door was cleaned and caulked, it was time to tape. I've come up with a quick assembly line method to tape each window. I tear long pieces for the 4 sides, leaving the corners empty. I cut another piece of tape into 4 small pieces and place those in the corners. It's precise every time. As usual, I used Dirty Martini by Claire Paint for the front door. This is the same beautiful sage green that I use in the living room, on the door and trim, and in the kitchen on the door and the pantry. It's a great subtle pop of color that brings tons of compliments every single time. Want to see how this door turns out? Make sure you subscribe and turn your notifications on so you don't miss the final foyer reveal coming very soon. So yes, I did say 4 doors. 1 massive door down and the next 2 to go. We have a pair of French doors that connect the foyer to a landing area behind. We call that room our second foyer, and it houses a fridge and also all of our junk. One day we'd like to merge it with the kitchen, but for now we need a solution to hide the mess. These doors were a beast to refinish. Tons of trim to sand, lots of windows to tape, and did I mention that it's ×2 because I had to repeat for the other side. This took a good couple of weeks hunched over in the dark basement. Rob did get some nifty sanding blocks for different sizes and shapes of trim. I'll link them in the description box below if you're curious. The color for these doors is flat iron, the main color of the doors in the whole house. It's a really pretty, really light, warm gray.
Kept it all in a labeled bag. And I did not date the bag because I don't know how long sometimes it's going to take me to finish something. Like that wall.
They should put an expiration date on all the bags, like food.
No.
Deadline to use by.
No. How can you put a date on procrastination?
Good job, Steffi.
So here's the solution to hide the mess. patterned frosted contact paper. I'll also link this in the description box below. It's so easy to apply. I ended up creating a template with copy paper since all the windows were the same size. I cut them out from the contact paper, being sure to keep the pattern aligned. I cleaned the glass, sprayed it with water, and applied the contact paper with a squeegee. Super simple and a very affordable solution for only $30. And finally, door number 4. This is the closet door, and it was a literal breeze compared to the other 3 doors. I painted it the same flat iron, light gray, and it really brightens up this corner. I definitely gave a sneak peek of the floors in my last video, which I'll link above if you missed it. Rob refinished some of the really damaged sections of flooring by sanding, buffing, and resealing them. The result is incredible and the floors look brand new. Stay tuned for the next episode where we tackle transforming the staircase. Make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you don't miss it. Bye!